So, you've just downloaded Scrivener 3 for Windows and you're wondering what the heck to do first. Don't worry, I've got you covered. Hi, my name's Juliet, and today I'm going to show you 5 things to change in Scrivener 3 for Windows that might not be obvious when you first open it, but that will set you up for the days, weeks and months ahead. First, the Startup default. When you first open Scrivener, you'll notice that it defaults to opening the last project you used. That's fine when you first start, but once you have a number of projects, you'll probably want to be able to pick what opens. To change this, go into the File menu, select Options, and in the General tab, under Startup, deselect Reopen Projects that were open on Quit, and you're sorted. Next time you open Scrivener, you'll then have to select from your list of recent projects. Because we're already in the default options, I'm going to tackle the other 3 things that are found here first. Second, author information. 2 down from Startup is author information. On this page you can put in your name, address and contact details. Why might you want to do this? Well, some of the standard templates use these details to fill out the template information, such as the manuscript template in this novel project. If no information is in these boxes, it will take what it can from your Windows profile, and you'll have to add the rest. This info is also used elsewhere, such as footnotes and comments, depending on your defaults. Now, just as a side note, not all author information is taken from here. Sometimes it comes from the compile screen. This can be confusing. This manuscript template uses both, but if you have the author information filled out, you'll clearly be able to see what's what. But you do need this filled out before you create any projects that will need to use these details, or you'll have to type them in manually. Third is the default display font. Some of you will not like using the standard Sitka font while you're drafting your manuscript. If you'd prefer something else, click onto the Editing tab and Formatting. There you will see the standard display details in the text box. To change your main text style, just change as you normally would on the page with the pull-down menus. Click OK and you're done. All new documents you create will use this new style. I want to make it clear that this is only the default display font that you look at when you're typing. It's not what your final document will be. That's defined in Compile. Fourth, if you're not from the USA, you're probably going to want to download a custom dictionary. Click on the Corrections tab and select, you've guessed it, Spelling. Then click on Download. Select your preferred dictionary. Be careful if you're Klingon, there are 2 to choose from. And click Download again. Then click on Select and highlight the dictionary you want to use and press OK. Right, that's everything in the options box. Fifth and final is to select your theme. This is where you can select dark mode. So go to Window, Themes, and you'll see a list of standard themes from which you can select the one you want. The only trouble is that you won't see the result of your selection until you close and open Scrivener again. If you don't want to do that, check out this video here, where I show you all the options. Thanks for watching, and if you've subscribed, I'll see you again next time.